Hey guys, so on today's video we are going to review the last, finally, the last pod that was released by Nespresso from their Reviving Origins series. I've tried Zimbabwe, I've tried Colombia, I've tried, what was the other one? Congo. So today we are going to review Uganda. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, so it's called Amaha Uganda. I'm sure I'm butchering that. If you guys know how to pronounce it, let me know in the comments. But for now, we're just gonna call it Uganda. And I have both lines, Vertuo original. If you guys have either or machine, and then you're gonna get both reviews for your machine. So without further ado, let's get started with this review. Let's start with Vertuo because we've been starting with the original lately. So let's start with this one. The back of the box says, ooh, the sandalwood notes of Amaha Uganda are still hard to come by, but each year will bring back this rich and clean Arabica with its wild and floral character. So it has a floral note, according to what the box says. And this is a Grand Lungo. I didn't realize it was a Lungo. Up until now, we've seen an espresso, we've seen the coffee pod size. I don't think I've seen any Grand Lungo, so that's interesting. And this is a level intensity 6. And then I'm just gonna read what the internet, what the website says. It says, again, level intensity 6. It's gonna give you 5.7 ounces, so that's a Grand Lungo. It's a floral and wild aromatic profile. Aromatic notes are woody and flowery. So that's very interesting. I can't recall a pod that is quite like that one, like with that mix. It says, try this pod with milk in a latte macchiato recipe to reveal a balanced and sweet cup with a round body texture, biscuit, and discreet fruity notes. That is milk. I'm telling you, milk just does things to the pod, and that just sounds delicious because at first I was like, oh, kind of woody, floral, not so much my vibe, but apparently with milk, it brings out biscuity sweet notes. So let's try this one. And again, I'm excited that it's a Grand Lungo because there's not many Grand Lungos in the Vertuo line. This is the pod right here. And it says Uganda on it in like silver gold letters. Let me lower this a little bit. I almost ran it without a cup. Let me go get a cup. For my cup, I'm gonna use this one. It's from Corksicle. I know a few of you guys are gonna ask where it's from. It's like I think it's part of like their whiskey cups collection, but I liked it because it was like iridescent. It's double walled, and it said on the website that you can use it for hot and cold. It tends to fit a lot of my like Lungos and Grand Lungos, so this is what I'm gonna use. Here it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and smell it. For some reason, this one smells fruity to me. Oh, you know what? No. You know what it smells like? And I don't know if that's gonna sound good or not, but it smells like olives to me. It smells like olives. Yeah, it smells like olives. And again, I like olives, but I don't know about olives in my coffee. So let's taste it. I'm gonna taste that crema first. You know what? No, I'm not gonna taste the crema because I don't really just drink the crema on its own. I'm gonna drink it like this, and then I'll mix the crema into the coffee. Wow, this one has a very distinct flavor. It tastes like olives to me. If you guys have tried this one already, let me know if you agree, because ooh, once that coffee settles into your tongue or your palate, whatever you want to call it, you could taste the woodiness, and that's actually quite nice. But the first sip tastes like olives. I can't get over it. I like the aftertaste, and usually aftertaste get a bad rep because it's weird, but the aftertaste on this one is amazing. All right, I'm gonna mix the crema in hopes that it'll mellow out that oliviness that I'm tasting. I mean, it's supposed to be what, like a floral, woody Olives are not floral, but they're plants, right? Or are those fruity? I don't know. It mellows it out a little bit. Brings out the woodiness a little bit more. So far, not my favorite. I don't even know what syrup I would mix with this one, just with it being black. It has a weird taste at the beginning. The aftertaste is nice. It's woody. You could actually get that woody note, but I don't know. I can't get over the oliviness. Let's try this with milk, see if it can save it. Oat milk, sugar-free. It's been really good. I'm just gonna push some in my frother. And usually for Grand Longos, honestly, it comes down to preference. I know there's rules, like you're supposed to use a certain amount of ounces for a latte, whatever. It's preference, because that rule might not apply to you, because if you don't like that much milk, or if you like more milk, then do you. I'm using about a half a cup of milk, so that's what we're gonna do. I always do that for my longos, double shots, and coffee pods. If I do a single shot of espresso, then I generally lower the amount of milk, but it's almost just under a half a cup even then, so that's what I'm gonna do. The like lighter setting on my Morocco frother. If you guys haven't seen my review on that frother, I'm gonna link it up above. I know a lot of you guys have actually enjoyed watching that review. Some of you guys that already own the Morocco agree that it's a really amazing frother for the price, and the ones that were kind of on the fence seemed like they were convinced to get it. So hopefully, if you guys are still kind of wondering on this frother, I'll link the video, and hopefully you guys can make a decision. All right, here is the milk. Hopefully it'll save us a little bit, because this taste is not vibing with me. Just gonna give it a little mix. Oh, let me tell you, the olive flavor, at least from the look, the spoon lick went away. Let's do this. Yes. Wow. It definitely, no more olive taste. If you like black coffee, I don't know. I don't think you'll like it. If you like olives in your coffee, maybe you'll like it, but that without milk is not good. But with milk, that biscuit that they're talking about on the website definitely comes out. And the woodiness is still there. So I would say, like with milk, biscuit woodiness. I don't really taste floral. Again, without milk, it was just olives. If you want to call that a floral, I guess that's a floral. I don't know. But that is good. Now with milk, I can actually, maybe I'll do, one of my followers did pistachio on theirs with Uganda. I'm gonna try it with pistachio. Here it is. Let's pour some in. Ooh, yes. Yes. This is amazing. This is good. I like it. Again, I don't want to repeat myself, but with milk, a whole different world. Definitely a winner. I like longos, and I think they're almost like Americanos, but not really, not quite. It's just it's like a shot of espresso, but it brews with more water. So you're still having espresso, but not quite concentrated, if that makes any sense. So I was pleased to see that it was a Grand Lungo. I just don't like the flavor without milk, but with milk, it's definitely, I love it. I love it. I love it. Yes, and the pistachio just kind of embodies the rest of the flavors. Woody, biscuity. The pistachio is a really nice choice. And I also can see it working with French vanilla, caramel. Guys, I ordered from Monen's website. I repurchased my French vanilla because I am down to like literally this much. I don't know if you could even see it, but that liquid down there, that's all I have left. I don't have any more bottle to refill. And so I placed an order for that one. I placed an order for raspberry. I used to love raspberry. I used to order it all the time. Like when I would go to Dunkin' Donuts, they had one. And I don't even know if they had it anymore, but I ordered raspberry syrup. And then I ordered, what else did I order? A peanut butter syrup from Monen. We'll see how that one tastes. I've never tried it. And I like peanut butter, so I was thinking I could make like a Reese's peanut butter latte. We'll see. But yeah, pistachio for now. You could maybe try French vanilla. I think I might try that in my Instagram reels or like future combos. And yeah, pretty good. Winner with milk. Okay, moving on to the original series. This one is a level intensity 8. What's nice is that you can have this one as a ristretto, espresso, or lungo. We already tried it as a lungo, so I'm not gonna really try it as a lungo, and I just don't like ristrettos. Like, I feel like it's just, they tend to be really bitter in my opinion, because it's even more of a micro concentration of caffeine. But we're gonna try it as espresso. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see the box. But yeah, level intensity 8. And I tend to not like many 8s, but this is how the pod looks like, or capsule. Let's turn my Essenza Plus on. Just checking to see if I had enough water, and I do. Let's pop this sucker in there. Of course it's full, so now I have to empty it out. Just throw it in there. Put it in. Here it is, my beautiful espresso. You can smell it. This one smells different. This one smells more woody to me and more green, but not olivey. Just more like green pastures. But it does smell intense. Okay, let's try it. See, okay, this is a lot more bitter. Not quite a punch in the face because it did not give me that reaction, but it's nicer. Like, it's more smooth. It's smoother than that one. So if you like a nice black coffee, even as a lungo, I could probably see this one working because I don't have that like olive taste. It's really nice and rounded is what I would say. Woody. The strength is there. I could definitely see why they would consider this one an 8. So let me mix that crema into the coffee and see if that does anything to this one. Oof. I don't know why the crema sometimes makes it more bitter. That one intensified the bitterness. Ugh, okay. Let's try it with milk. Got my oat milk right here. Just spooned a little bit of that froth because it was like hanging out at the end. Yeah, definitely mellowed it out. This is pretty good. This one actually tastes like, I've said it before, kind of like bread, but that's what they mean by biscuity. It tastes like that, like biscuity, bready kind of. Definitely mellows it out a ton because this one with the crema being mixed in, it was really bitter, really intense, and the milk definitely, this one's really good. With milk, this one is like 100% a winner. I love it, yes. I'm gonna mix salted caramel with it because I just feel like it's gonna be a really nice combo with that saltiness. Not just like the caramel, but like the saltiness of it. I'm just thinking because biscuits sometimes have like a salty little topping to it. So that's what I'm thinking, I don't know. Oh my God, this is so good. This is so good. Yes, super good, super good, super good. I can see this one working as an iced latte today too. So I honestly think that's what I'm gonna do. The original line for today's iced latte. Now that I've tried all of them, my top 3 for sure are Esperanza de Colombia, the coffee pod, Congo, the original line. These two though, Vertuo and original, are really good with milk. Like, I actually love them both. And Zimbabwe just has to be like towards the end. I didn't really quite enjoy that one as much as the other ones. So if you are finally like saw all of my reviews and just want to try one and see how it goes, I would say definitely try. And I don't know if it's just because I just tasted it, but Congo with milk is really delicious. And so is Colombia with milk. even black, it's pretty good. So I hope those reviews helped you guys out in any way, shape, or form. If you guys still have any kind of questions in regards to any of them, please leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video with most likely an Amazon favorites video. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.